Hi guys, it's me Tech Jake, and today we're checking out something built for the true home cinema enthusiast. This is the BenQ W2720i, a 4K UHD LED smart projector that's not just spec'd out, but seriously dialed in for color accuracy, HDR performance, and smart features, all packed into a sleek home theater-friendly form factor. Let's start with the big picture, literally. You're getting true 4K UHD resolution, which means 3840 by 2160 native pixels, no pixel shifting tricks here. That's over 8 million individual pixels per frame, projected crisply onto your wall or screen. So yeah, if you're serious about watching movies the way directors intended, this checks that box. Now let's talk brightness. We're looking at 2500 ANSI lumens, which is a solid middle ground. Bright enough for most controlled environments like living rooms or dedicated media spaces with some ambient lighting, but it really shines in dim or dark rooms. Pair that with BenQ's LED light source, and you get a longer lifespan, better color stability over time, and near-instant on-off functionality. It's also more energy efficient than traditional lamp-based projectors, which is a win. But the real secret sauce here? Color. BenQ isn't just throwing out big specs. They're backing it up with DCI-P3 color gamut coverage. That's cinema-level color that you usually only find on high-end studio displays. And then there's the Delta E less than 3 color accuracy rating. That might not sound super flashy, but for videophiles and color geeks, that means colors are incredibly close to what they're supposed to look like. Subtle skin tones, natural greens, deep reds, all exactly where they should be. Now let's zoom into the AI picture mode. This is BenQ's smart engine that uses AI to automatically optimize the image in real time. So if you're watching a bright action sequence or a dark, moody drama, it adjusts the contrast, brightness, and colors for the best possible experience without you having to tinker with settings. And it actually works. It's subtle but effective. Speaking of contrast, the HDR implementation here is solid. It supports HDR10 and HLG, and thanks to the LED light engine and the internal tone mapping tech, you're getting bright highlights, deep blacks, and a whole lot of detail in between. It's not OLED-level black, but for a projector, especially at this price point, it punches above its weight. On the audio side, yeah, it has built-in speakers, but you're going to want to plug this into a soundbar or home theater system for the full effect. The good news is it has HDMI with ARC, so one cable setup with your sound system is easy. It also comes with Android TV built-in, so you're getting access to streaming apps like Netflix, YouTube, Prime Video, Disney+, straight out of the box. It's a clean interface, responsive, and works well with the included remote which has built-in voice support via Google Assistant. Design-wise, the W2720i keeps things simple and clean. It's not ultra-compact, but it's still easy to set up on a table or mount it ceiling style. The lens is centered, which makes alignment easy, and the keystone correction plus zoom range gives you a lot of flexibility when positioning it. Also worth mentioning, it supports Cinema Master Video Plus and Audio Plus, which includes some internal image enhancements and audio tweaks, but honestly, the real strength is just how accurate and balanced everything feels without any fluff. Now, who is this for? If you're someone who's really into movies, wants legit 4K resolution, and cares about cinema-grade color without dropping thousands more on a reference projector, this is absolutely in your lane. It's not trying to be the brightest projector on the market or the cheapest. Instead, it's clearly made for the kind of viewer who wants precision, accuracy, and smart features, all without needing to be a full-on calibrator. So yeah, that's the BenQ W2720i. A color-accurate, smart, and sharp 4K home theater projector that's definitely worth your attention if image fidelity matters to you. If you want to buy this projector or check out more details, then please visit the link provided in the description. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.